Hello, my name is Maya Medellin, and this is my lovely presentation. Hobbies include painting because it helps me de-stress and get out my creativity, and another hobby of mine would be being a barista at Starbucks because that's where I spend most of my free time and acquire most of my skills like hot bar drinks, cold bar drinks, and social skills as well. A big accomplishment of mine would be graduating high school with a 3.5 and higher because I've moved all over the place and lived in many different states throughout elementary school, middle school, and high school, and been taught many different curriculums and state tests as well. So to me, graduating with a 3.5 or higher is a really big accomplishment. Something that I've learned from this class would be time management, like being able to put my work first and being able to balance it out in a way where I'm not stressed out, and also ways to prevent procrastination and what procrastination can do. Getting personal, one thing about online learning that's helped me a lot is being able to fluctuate with my time because I work early in the morning and I also watch my siblings, so it is nice to be able to do my work on my free time when I feel most focused. Thank you so much. Have a good night.